One must drink coffee when one wakes up so early like this. Last night my buddy Chris hit me up and he's like, yo, we're gonna hit the surf tomorrow morning. He's like, it's gonna feel like you're being baptized. And I said, Chris, count me in. And knowing him, he'll be there at 6:30. He's probably there right now, 6:10. When my homie Chris hits me up like that, you can't say no. If you know Chris, you just know. Long story short, I need some coffee. So we're gonna go out there, we're gonna hit it. I got a couple other homies coming out. Actually pretty excited. So here we go. I got the board strapped up to the roof. I got the coffee, a little bag of fruit. You can't eat garbage before you go surf. It's like straight up workout. I'm gonna tag you guys along and we're gonna have some fun. So let's go. Definitely can't leave without my coffee, so I gotta make sure I go back and get that bad boy. Coastal Brew, baby. Let's go. All right, let's get it, man. It's almost guaranteed that every time I go to fucking surf, I forget my damn towel. So, turning back around, got to the end of the street, had to turn around and go get a damn towel. It's nice to have a towel.
It's on that beach now, playing all your drink on that song, but you know, I said it's such a shame they make you run away from the place where they say you don't belong.
I am getting excited. These freaking skies, the morning, the rise, everything is just so beautiful right now. And I've been taking pictures, but I'm also trying to just live in the moment. And I'm really just enjoying this. Like, I can't wait to get out on the water and just, you know, look into the ocean and watch, you know, that sunrise. Like, surfing's fun, but that's definitely gonna be up there with, like, the experience, you know? And it's not looking too windy. It actually, these palm trees aren't moving at all right now. So that's a good sign. I think we're gonna have a perfect surf. By the way, today is September 11th. Just drove by that fire station and they're all out there hanging the flags. They got their lights on. They're honoring those heroes who climbed up those stairs during 9/11, and mad respect to them. We are turning in 6:54 in the morning and we made it. This spot is usually hard to get in, but it being so early, I think we're straight. I think we're looking real good. Let's go check it out.
We coming through your city, catching all the waves while my crew is getting litty. They looking at me saying, God damn, them gringos crazy. And when we play them shows, bitch, you better fucking pay me.
Morning.
Small and GoPro.
Dude, I was just freaking out at how beautiful the morning was.
I know.
There's been some nice sets coming in over here.
Really?
This is okay if you can get a corner of it.
Got hula hooper on the beach. What?
Yeah, being up this early is
It's very relaxing.
not having to go to work.
Especially this beach.
Yeah.
It's so like noisy during that. You know what I mean?
I forgot the waterproof attachment for my GoPro, so I didn't get any footage in the water. A little bit bummed about that, but it was beautiful. Totally, there was no wind. The waves were chest to head high sometimes. It was just super clean. It was hard to get a shoulder, so there was a lot of white water going on, but man, it was a blast. We started surfing at 7:30 in the morning, and I went till about 10. Fucking beat. I am so tired. I'm gonna go home, cook some eggs, and then take a nap.